It's been a while since last I came here, and we got here. Oh, something happening down here. I guess my friend wants to dine in here, which is why we came here, and also cinema here. But another reason for we cinema here is because there's a Onyx Atmos. Yes, Onyx Atmos means, of course, your man always love for Onyx. So that's why he came here. And I'm going to have a wee breakfast first because I'm so damn hungry. I can die any moment. My stomach, and yeah, there was shoes here, and I forgot to bring my watch. Like, man, whatever. Whatever, guys, yeah. Luckily, I bought some food. Why to eat there, so yeah. Yes, restaurant Khalifa is here. Let's eat. Oh no, they have blocked the place. And there's not here. Damn. Yeah, it's been a while since I came here. And I guess we can go, I believe so. No salesman allowed. Yeah, definitely not salesman allowed. Apa bos? Assalamualaikum. Wah, handsome boy ni. Nak gimana bro? Ha? Straight tu. Kau nak masuk dulu, masuk lah. Aku nak bagi popcorn. Kau nak masuk sekali? Sekali. 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 Ya, aku pergi ambil popcorn. Oh no, dah start. Dia hidup sebab tu je. CSC. Dan sebagainya. And the fire. Oh. Tapi ni proper sikit lah. Ni okey sikit lah.
Still remember Subang Perak?
Yes, I always remember Subang Perak. Apa tadi nak cakap? Oh yeah, what is your movie rating? I heard you sleep.
2 kali.
Aku cuma tidur. Oh, tak boleh, aku tidur. Aku tidur awal semalam. Sebelum 10 aku dah pengsan dah.
Kau pula bagi nugget tak dah nak habis lah. Dah sejuk lah.
Ya tu.
Kau bagi time aku tidur tu, mungkin aku boleh jaga.
Aduh. So yeah. So what is your rating? Okay, I guess 6, 7. 7. Okay,
7.5.
A good proper. 0.5 is from the trailer, I guess. Extra 0.5. Oops. Yeah, if you watch, then you watch. Okay. Min, ada lion dance, Min? Ada lion dance kat depan. Ada lion dance.
Bulan berapa ni?
12? Hawaii CNY. Kau pernah makan shawarma? Oh, tak pernah eh? Oh ya, yeah, aku tak pernah bawa kau sini. Mana yang dance atas ah? Kau tak apa makan? Kau nak di kota ke? Kau nak... Tak nak? Tak nak di kota. So, apa jawapan ni? Tak apa, kau pusing dulu lah tengok mana yang kau minat. Aku yang situ tu, Min. Aku ada video lagi, Min. Semua situ tempat dia. Ha? Mana yang aku makan tu? Lebih kurang style mamak lah. Tapi okey lah harga. Harga murah. Tu aku berani makan. Aduh, tutup lah. Sedih oh. Itu kedai paling laku sekali. Kalau aku lepas wayang, memang aku makan situ, Min. No kidding. Sedih oh. Mati oh, Subway. Aku dulu kalau tak tahu makan apa, Subway lah. Sekejap, aku rasa KFC masih ada. Kau kan anak ke? Boleh lah.
Hari tu kita semi harga
itulah semi harga. Oh, kau nak anak-anak ke? Oh. Boleh je nak cuba. Tapi macam ramai ya. Nak tengok main tu. Tak sebelah tu.
Aku rasa dah 2 kali dah kita tengok menu.
Boleh lah, kita beli je lah. Beli je lah. Dine in. Pocket saver. Pocket saver sedih dah tahu pocket saver.
Celah mana yang saver ya?
Atas. Ni je. Aku
kau nak makan nasi kan?
Nasi.
Kalau nak nasi kita pergi luar.
Ah.
Bosan lah.
Bosan, jauh. Cuba itu Syamil, sekejap. Tanya Syamil. Syamil, bila pula aku nak tukar kereta? Amin nak tukar bila kau pula. Aku tak boleh serang, nanti dia serang aku. Kau lah bila nak ada kereta. Tapi oh, ayat bos tu. Min, kau dah beli apa? Kau boleh cari dah. Tunjuk Honda Civic settle. Honda Civic buy. Boh, best. Aku tunggu Syamil lah.
Kau yang member yang first merasmikan selain family aku.
Oh, you heard the man, see? First night Myvi buy. Oh, Myvi lah. Honda Civic. Honda Civic
Ivy dah jual lah bro.
Oh. Apa? Boleh tahan? Plaza Rasta. Parking free sini?
Nak parking luar je lah.
Parking sini free je lah kan? Ke apa? Ke bayar?
Tak, aku pun tak pernah datang.
Oh. Oh, dia macam ni style. Oh.
Macam yang di kampung.
Oh, ada boy club lagi, Min. Nampak tak? Boy club. Oh, sini barber mostly. Okay, narik. Oh, dah lama tak makan tempat macam ni oh. Lah parking sini lah, setelah jalan kat dalam ni. Oh, dia cegar gerai.
So ni nak pergi mana? Kanan, kiri?
Mana parking dia? Kau parking luar boleh? Kau boleh parking luar? 1.5 kan? Ha.
Sebenarnya tak masuk dalam tadi, penuh semua.
Oh. Oh, dalam ni Oh tu, Pak gepus. Boleh. Yang Pak gepus. Nasi lah. First pasta was served with garlic fries. Interesting. So here for this is the price. So if you're interested to eat shawarma at Rasta, you can free come here. And of course, our brother is none other than Yo Aisyah. Thank you, boss. You heard the man. First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah for Ami Ashraf sponsor me a TOI. Semoga dia dimurah rezeki rakan-rakan sekalian. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Mula kita buang ni semua dulu. Oh ya, kau nak tengok Beyblade aku tak? Aku tunjuk.
Tengok.
Kau mesti fikir macam mana barang dia. Macam kau nak turun main kat lah. Kau itu nak ada. Aku itu.
Babi cepat.
Aku tak tahu. Sekejap. Okay, so
tahu-tahu balik dah semua.
Alright, so dah singgah. Okay, Min. Thank you so much, Min. Ciao. See you, brother. My brother. Alright, ciao. Sekejap, siapa tanya aku So yeah, since I already at here, guys, I might as well just stop by. So yeah, since I already go to wow. So we don't need to go to very far away already. I normally need to go to this down elevator and just walk down here. We can straight out go inside here. Holy shit. It's now open. We are at level 2. Wow. And no camera. How do I go? Wow, Kinokuniya now open. Holy shit. Finally they have Sukiya. So you don't need to go Pavilion KL already. You can eat sukai. See? No, there's not even many people queue. Yeah. Yeah, the smells already good, and I see my favorite side there. Yeah. Holy shit, Kinokuniya inside here. Holy freak. Damn son. Finally, this mall has something. This mall is happening. But first I want to go. Wait. Oh, Toreno. We got a place here. Oh, Tamashii Nation inside here. What? This one, I can bring camera, right? We got Pokemon here. Where's the bay? Where's the bay? Oh, this is the Marvel place. Huh. So if you want to come Pavilion, this is the right time actually, guys, to come. Yes, it's just one way. Yeah, very convenient, guys, no kidding. Very easy to go now. No need for you to go all the way down there, walk a middle of nowhere. So yeah, we can just straight go from there. Good job, Pavilion, Damansara High. I respect your effort. Finally about time for this to open for us all. So yeah, I'm ready to eat Five Guys next time with my friend. Let's go back now. Let's go home.
Putrajaya Central.
Since it's raining, so I guess I have to give a speech here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching Yoman's video. Yoman is just basically here. With that, I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye.